What's going on, people of the internet? We are back with another video on the 92. If you checked out last night's video, I got to do some paint stripping on the hood. So if you want to know why, be sure to go back and check that video out. The product I'm going to be using to strip the hood is aircraft paint remover. I got 2 jugs of it. Basically what you do is dump this stuff. Well, you really don't have to dump it. Just pour a little line and take a paintbrush and just thin it out. The thicker you get it on here, the better it's going to strip the paint up. But I'm going to do that to the whole hood. I mean, if it doesn't get everything off, no big deal. I'll just go back and kind of sand it down and stuff. I got to fix a dent there anyway, and then I'm going to primer it. So basically what I did is taped up my edges, laid a piece of cardboard down so if it drips off, it doesn't get all over the concrete. I got me a piece of paper up underneath the hood to keep it off from running down into the engine, and then same with the tape on this side. So I'm going to get that stuff. I'm going to get my gloves on. I'm going to get a mask on. I'm going to get it laid, brush it around, probably wait 10 to 15 minutes. It says 5 to 15 minutes, but I'm probably going to wait a little bit longer. It says once it starts, the paint starts to bubble and flake and everything, you should be good to go. But like I said, I'm going to wait probably 15 minutes to make sure it gets all good and gets everything off. So once I get this all spread around, I'll probably bring you guys back just to show you what it looks like once it's on there. And then after the 15 minutes is up, I'll bring you guys back and I'll scrape it off and see how it does. So yeah, this should be a fun little project. I'll be right back. I'm going to get my stuff on and we're going to get started.
Japan.
As you've seen from that last little clip, I fast forward through a lot of that stuff because I really didn't want you guys to sit there and watch me. I got the shop door open because the stuff is very potent. I got my mask on, I got my gloves on. I was sanding a little bit. I had to put a little bit more on here. I used that 1 jug. I haven't broken into the second one yet, but that's what's left. Basically, as you can see, it's bare metal. I put a little bit on the fenders just for shits and giggles. I'll come back and just sand all this off. But yeah, this stuff worked real well. I'm pleased with it so far. Like I said, it is real potent, so be sure to wear a mask. I probably should have had my actual painting mask on because that's how strong this stuff was. But basically what I did is you pour it on there, and then I just got a brush. This is from Harbor Freight also, and you can just kind of brush it on there and let it sit. Like I said, the thicker you get the stuff, the better it works. I kind of got a little much over here and I didn't get enough in the middle, so that's why that stuff in the middle, I'm guessing, didn't come off as well. But this truck has been painted previously. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see it. Let me flip on this other light real quick. Where's a good spot? That's got that stripper on it. I don't know how you guys can see it down here, but see how it's dark red and then light red? I'm guessing they repainted it at one point. And you can kind of see it here too, how it's dark red then light red. So basically what that's telling me is it's had its original coat, and then so it'd be the primer, the original paint, it would have the original clear coat, and then basically a new paint job, and then the new clear coat on it. So that's what those light red, dark red, and all that stuff's telling me. But I'm gonna let this stuff sit on here a little bit longer, and then hopefully it'll scrape right up and I don't have to do as much sanding. I'm gonna come back and put a nice primer on here, and then all we'll have to do is wet sand the hood, and that's it, and we'll be ready for paint. So yeah, I'll get a video once I get it all scraped up, so be sure to stick around till the end. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this upload. I just want to bring you guys back, show you what all I got done. The whole hood is stripped now. I'm probably gonna have to do this fender. I put some on there and didn't take it quite all the way off. So that's what it looks like. I got the front all nice. This here is just from sanding, as you see, it just wipes off. But yeah, the whole hood is stripped now. I'm gonna do this fender, and probably that's it for the stripping. I still gotta do sanding here above the door handle, these two spots, and then this big one down here. I gotta hit the top up here a little bit more, this front right here. These ones are already all good, so I'll probably hit that. If not tomorrow, I think I'm gonna go and get a new editing computer. If not tomorrow, then probably Saturday I'll get it all buttoned up, and then there's a spot here I gotta refill, and then sand on this spot on the door. I hit those spots and then hit this fender again. So I just wanted to bring you guys back and show you what all I got done. That's basically it. I'm gonna call it quits. I'm gonna go get something to eat now, but it's coming along smooth. I don't know, I'm speechless on how well this turned out. I figured I was going to have to use both of those jugs. I used that full one, as you can see right over there, and then I don't know where the other one is. Oh, it's right next to it, right there. I maybe used a splash out of it. It's still full to do this whole hood. So yeah, if you're a first time viewer, smash that like button. Subscribe, hit the bell notification for some more awesome uploads. I will be having some videos of my 98 here soon, of the spark plug change and stuff like that, and then probably some ATV riding. So be sure to stay tuned. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I will have links for all the products in the description, and you guys have a great day.